Harvesting oats, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, harvesting oats. We'll break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is designed to help you understand this common agricultural term. Harvesting oats refers to the process of gathering oats crops from the fields. Oats are a type of cereal grain grown for their seed, which is a staple food in many cultures. The phrase involves two key concepts: harvesting, which is the act of collecting ripe crops from the fields, and oats, a popular grain used in many foods like oatmeal and granola. In this section, we'll take a closer look at how oats are harvested. It typically involves several steps. 1. Growing. Oats are planted and grown in fields. 2. Maturing. The plants mature and the grains develop. 3. Harvesting. Once the oats are ripe, farmers use machinery to cut and collect the grains. 4. Processing. The harvested oats are then processed for consumption or further use. While harvesting oats is primarily an agricultural term, it's sometimes used metaphorically. For example, he's really harvesting his oats this year could mean someone is reaping the benefits of their hard work. It's important to understand the context in which the phrase is used. Oats have been a crucial part of human diet for centuries. Understanding this phrase also involves appreciating its historical significance. In many cultures, harvesting signifies a time of celebration and gratitude, marking the end of a growing season. We hope this video has helped you understand what harvesting oats means and how you can use this phrase in English. Remember, learning a language is like harvesting your own field of knowledge. It takes time, patience, and effort. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.